How can you dissect, unpack, and decouple what you don't understand? We've been psyoped for far too long, and it's time to take destiny into our own hands. To understand anything, you have to go back to its roots. You want a good fruit? Take care of the roots. But how can you take care of something you don't even understand? Education has been hijacked. Throughout the dawn of human time, education was decentralized until some individual came and centralized it because of some selfish interest. By creating what they call the General Board of Education, John D. Rockefeller funded and founded the General Board of Education. In his own words, and I quote, "I am not in the business of making a nation of thinkers. I am in the business of making a nation of workers." That is why when you talk to graduates, a staggering and astronomical number of them often talk about job security as opposed to creating jobs and taking risks. Our whole mental model has been indoctrinated and propagandized. If everyone becomes job seekers, who then now becomes the job creators? Because the last time I checked, government don't create jobs. Yet, we blame the government for everything. Wake up. For an economy to stride in the right direction, there has to be a balance. In Africa, for example, we copy every alien culture, romanticize it, but jettison that which is idiosyncratic to us. As the old saying goes, think out of the box. However, I say it's time to start thinking without the box, because the box that was handed over to us is an act of subterfuge and scam. Watch out for our next video where we will delve deeper and demystify our conundrums. Stay positive, be legendary. Rabbi Iwapiti.